Hey there, improvement enthusiasts! Welcome back to my channel where we dissect the art and science of continuous improvement. I'm your host Luca, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of common mistakes in continuous improvement, and more importantly, how to dodge those improvement pitfalls. So grab your notepads and let's get started. Mistake number 1, the one-size-fits-all trap. Picture this. You've just discovered the magic of a particular improvement framework, and suddenly every problem in your organization looks like a nail, and your newfound methodology is the hammer. You might be thinking, Six Sigma for everything. But hold your horses, my friend. Continuous improvement isn't a one-size-fits-all situation. Just because Six Sigma worked wonders in manufacturing doesn't mean it's the universal remedy for your IT department. Next up, we've got the blame game blunder. Picture this. A project falls apart, and suddenly it's a finger-pointing fiesta. Everyone's playing the blame game faster than you can say continuous improvement. Continuous improvement is about learning from mistakes, not creating a scapegoat sanctuary. So instead of pointing fingers, point the way forward and figure out how to prevent a repeat performance. Now, let's talk about the data overload dilemma. Picture this. You've collected more data than a black hole, but you're drowning in it. More data isn't always better. Sometimes it's just more. Continuous improvement should be about actionable insights, not creating a data mountain that Everest would envy. So focus on the metrics that matter and trim the data fat. And here's the classic, the set it and forget it snag. Imagine this. You've implemented a fantastic improvement initiative and everyone is high-fiving. But wait, don't rest on those achievements just yet. Continuous improvement is a journey, not a destination. If you set it and forget it, you might find yourself back at square one sooner than you think. Stay vigilant and keep tweaking. So, there you have it, folks. The common mistakes in continuous improvement and how to sidestep them. Remember, it's okay to stumble, as long as you're learning from the fall. What mistakes have you encountered in your improvement journey? Share them in the comments below, and let's help each other avoid the potholes on the road to excellence. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more improvement insights, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a beat. Also, consider supporting our work on Patreon and get exclusive access to our live chat option where you can ask me anything continuous improvement related. Link is in the description. Until next time, never stop improving.